Welcome. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Allow your body to be held by the earth, supported and at ease. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, like waves rising and falling on the shore. As you breathe, let go of any tension, any worries, any thoughts that pull you away from this present moment. In this space of stillness, we begin our journey into the quantum field. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in, the subtle warmth as you breathe out. Notice how the air fills your lungs, expanding your chest, and then gently leaves your body, taking with it any stress or worry. With each inhale, invite a sense of peace. Imagine this peace spreading through your entire body, reaching every cell. With each exhale, release any tension. Let go of any thoughts that no longer serve you, allowing them to drift away like leaves on a stream. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice any sensations, tingling, pressure, warmth. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun. Each sensation is a reminder that you are here in this moment. Meet each sensation with gentle acceptance, without judgment. Allow yourself to be present with whatever arises, knowing that it is all part of your experience. Your breath and body are your anchors in this present moment. They are always with you, guiding you back to the here and now, no matter where your mind may wander. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and return your attention to your breath, to the sensations in your body. Each time you do this, you strengthen your ability to stay present, to remain grounded. Now imagine yourself surrounded by a radiant, golden light. This light is warm and comforting, wrapping around you like a soft blanket. It fills you with a sense of safety and peace. This light is filled with love, peace, and infinite possibilities. It connects you to the universe, to the boundless energy that flows through all things. Allow yourself to bask in this light, to feel its warmth and love. Know that you are a part of this infinite web of life, and that you are exactly where you need to be. Feel yourself being drawn to this light, enveloped by its warmth. This is the quantum field, a field of pure potentiality where all things are possible. As you enter this field, feel your worries and limitations dissolving. You are connected to an infinite source of energy, abundance, and creativity. Imagine yourself floating in this field, weightless and free. Open your heart to the infinite possibilities that surround you. Allow yourself to be filled with a sense of wonder, of hope, of limitless potential. In this space, anything is possible. Affirmations. Planting seeds of intention. This is a journey of self-discovery and growth, where we nurture our inner garden with positive thoughts and intentions. Now begin to repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently or aloud. Let each word resonate deeply within your soul, as if you are planting seeds in the fertile soil of your mind. With each affirmation, feel its truth resonating within you. Imagine these words as tiny seeds, each one carrying the potential to grow into a beautiful reality. I am healthy, vibrant, and alive. Visualize yourself radiating health and vitality, your body glowing with energy and life. My body is a temple, strong and resilient. Picture your body as a magnificent structure, built with strength and endurance, capable of overcoming any challenge. I nourish it with love and care. See yourself providing your body with the best nourishment, from healthy foods to positive thoughts, ensuring it thrives. I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. Envision abundance flowing into your life like a river, bringing with it opportunities, joy, and prosperity. Wealth flows into my life with ease and grace. Imagine wealth as a gentle stream, effortlessly finding its way to you, filling your life with comfort and security. I am a magnet for prosperity. Feel the magnetic pull of prosperity, drawing success and abundance towards you from all directions. I am successful in all that I do. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, standing at the peak of your ambitions, triumphant and fulfilled. I am guided by my intuition, and I trust in the unfolding of my path. Trust in your inner compass, knowing that it will lead you to where you need to be. Take a few moments to allow these affirmations to sink deep into your subconscious mind. Let them settle like seeds in the soil, ready to grow and flourish. Feel the energy of these intentions taking root within you. Sense the power of your thoughts and beliefs, anchoring themselves firmly in your being. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to shape your reality with your thoughts, intentions, and actions. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Embrace this power and watch as your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways. Gratitude and grace. In this moment, we will explore the profound impact of gratitude and the grace it brings into our lives. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the connection between your mind and the physical presence you inhabit. Feel the support of the earth beneath you. The ground is always there, providing a stable foundation, grounding you in the present moment. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Each inhale and exhale is a reminder of the life force within you, a rhythm that connects you to the world around you. Rub your palms together, generating warmth and energy. Feel the friction creating a comforting heat, a tangible manifestation of your inner vitality. Place your hands over your heart, feeling the comforting warmth radiating through your chest. This simple gesture connects you to your inner self, to the core of your being. As you breathe deeply, Bring to mind something you are grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, or even a small act of kindness that touched your heart. It could be something simple: the warmth of the sun, the sound of laughter, the beauty of nature that surrounds you, the love of a friend. These moments of gratitude are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives, creating a tapestry of joy and contentment. Allow yourself to feel the fullness of this gratitude, the warmth it brings to your soul, the light it shines on your path, the joy it brings to your heart. Let this feeling expand, filling every corner of your being with a sense of peace and fulfillment. Gratitude is a powerful force, amplifying the positive energy in your life. It transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, enriching your journey. You are now ready to return to your day, carrying this peace and gratitude with you. Let it guide your actions, influence your thoughts, and illuminate your path forward. Remember, gratitude is not just a fleeting emotion, but a way of life. Embrace it fully, and let it transform your world. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. Write it down, speak it aloud, or simply hold it in your heart. This practice will nurture your spirit and cultivate a life of grace. As you move through your day, let gratitude be your constant companion. It will remind you of the beauty in the mundane, the magic in the ordinary, and the grace in every moment. With gratitude and grace, you can navigate life's challenges with a serene heart and a resilient spirit. Embrace this power and let it guide you to a life of joy and fulfillment. Carrying the peace forward. As you move through your day, remember the feeling of peace you cultivated in this meditation. Return to your breath, to your body, whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Know that you are always connected to the quantum field, that infinite source of love, abundance, and possibility. May this meditation serve as a reminder of your own inner strength, your own capacity for healing, and your own limitless potential. Namaste.